पुष्पा समझ के फ्लावर समझेगा।
तुम क्या जानते
दिल गलती कर बैठा है,
गलती कर बैठा है। Hello everyone, we are in Lonavala. Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, as from the title you guys must be already knowing that today we are going Lonavala, and to give a brief, I am going with my cousins as usual, same old cousins you will see on my channel again. Yes, so we are leaving early morning. It's already like 6:30, 7 o'clock. Sorry, it's 5:30, 6 o'clock. I am still in a sleep. That's why. But before that, I would like to share one thing. So today I'll be using this face wash that is from Sear Secrets Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. Okay, so it's a foaming face wash. I'll just apply and show you guys. So guys, it's an amazing face wash. The smell is amazing and it is literally light on your skin and very refreshing. Do give it a try. Link given in the description box. So yes, we are leaving by bus. I'll give you updates later. See you soon. Okay guys, so you can see all set. Ta-da! Okay, so I did a nail paint. It is looking amazing, like colorful pastels wala. Ordered from Amazon. You can check that out. So all set. You can see my outfit. I am wearing simple white t-shirt, shorts वो minion वाला जो वही old one, and this jacket shirt one, and this slippers, rainy slippers obviously. Okay guys, so we have reached the food court. It's like बहुत traffic था. Obviously weekends है. आधा मुंबई लोनावाला होता है. And here also it is quite rush. You can see, but anyways, having fun. Bolo, how are you? How are you? It's raining and we haven't even reached, and we all are enjoying a lot. My kaka, my dad.
दिल गलती कर बैठा है, गलती कर बैठा है, दिल गलती कर बैठा है, गलती कर बैठा है।
Guys, it's raining and we had a lot of fun. Here are my cousins. Enjoyed? Guys, so we'll just get fresh and then decide. Let's see what's next. But we are totally wet, and you can see. Hi Sakshi.
Hi.
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 Hi. Arun. Okay guys, you can see these rooms are really pretty. There are like almost 4 rooms and now we are going for pool. All set. See you then. Okay guys, you can see I've worn jumpsuit and now just having lunch. Yes, we'll have lunch and let's see.
Big boys, lazy guns. आओ मेरा सुपर सीना big boys, lazy guns. statue.
जीने का तरीका तुम्हें सिखाते हैं, हंस के देखो ना लतीफा तुम्हें सुनाते हैं, उम्र के साल कितने गिन गिन के क्या करना, बीत जाए ना गिनते नहीं बनना, आओ फिल्मों के बेअदब गाने गाते हैं, हीरो हीरो आज हम तुम बन जाते हैं, खुद के जीने का तरीका तुम्हें सिखाते हैं, हंस के देखो ना लतीफा तुम्हें सुनाते हैं।
आखिरी राजा कहाँ चले तो महिला कर कहाँ चले, मेरे घर भी आओ ना हलवा पूरी खाओ ना।
पुष्पा समझ के फ्लावर समझेगा, फायर है, झुकेगा नहीं।
मुझे स्कूल जाना नहीं है, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा नहीं।
या मैं रमेश बोल रहा हूँ, हॉलीडे इन से बोल रहा हूँ। हाँ, वो ऑनलाइन जो आपने सर्वे दिया था उसमें आपका वो लकी ड्रॉ में नाम सिलेक्ट हो गया है।
एक तरुण जना शिकरो ओहो Hello everyone, we are in Lonavala.
वो कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना। ये तो करे नहीं, ये डांस करेगा।
अरे
कार्डियो ना भ्रम हाँ ये सवार जाए गोदरे
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम
एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो
તૈયાર હમ પણ ઈ ના કરે રાની કે હેરાન કરી છે ભાગી જશે પાછો એટલે ઈ ગયો આગળ ગયો જીતી ગયો અરે
गीतों की रुत और रंगों की बरकाए खुशबू की आती है महकी हुई सी अब सारी फिजाएं है महकी हुई सी अब सारी हवाएं खोई हुई सी अब सारी दिशाएं है बदली हुई सी अब सारी अदाएं जागी उमंग है धड़क रहा है दिल सांसों में छुपा है होठों पे नगमे आंखों में सपने सपनों में बिखरे हुए सारे उलम जब कोई आया था नजरों पे छाया था दिल में समाया था कैसे मैं बताऊं तुम्हें कैसा उसे पाया था प्यार से चेहरे पे मेरी जुल्म तो ऐसा लगता था
Okay guys, all set. It's 3 o'clock AM almost and they are still playing. Almost everyone has slept, like it's 3:30 types. And yes, you can see the clips. My voice is gone as usual. It's obvious. If you guys are seeing my video for the first time, then you guys don't know. जब मैं बहुत थकती हूँ and I have most fun, मेरा voice जाता है and as usual मेरा voice गया है. That's it. So see you tomorrow morning. Okay, so we have 4 kids. This cute little baby. Those are twins, and one Zia, and this Dhyan. Hi. So we have 4 kids. जीती क्या? Yo! 1-0. Okay, so it's a kids store. We had our lunch. We are at food court and we were just doing time pass, playing. And activity develops. Yes, it's nice. Now we leave for home. So see you there, or maybe in bus. Yeah. Okay guys, it's another day and I realized that I forgot to shoot an outro of this video. But anyways, yesterday we came and we enjoyed a lot, like literally enjoyed a lot, and we reached Mumbai by 8:30. Yes, since we left early because फिर बहुत traffic मिलता है, वो सबको पता है. So yes, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. This video was something fun to watch. And if you want to see my more vlogs, do hit like to this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. See you in next video. Bye bye.